Alright, we're reviewing substitution and elimination and ways to solve systems of equations. And number one, it asks us what is the best option, or what option we choose to solve this system. And since y is already solved for in this one, I would use substitution. Okay. There is a way to use elimination if you wanted to, but I think that, for me, easiest way is to recognize that this right here in this box, it says that is what y equals. So in the second equation, instead of writing y, so let's look at the first equation. I could write, instead of y, I could write negative 4x plus 10 equals negative 4x plus 10. That's true, right? Okay, so I could write that if I wanted, but it's not helpful. But what is helpful is to replace the y in the second equation with that. Okay, so I'm going to write everything exactly the same, except when I come to y, I will replace it with negative 4x plus 10. Okay. And the reason that's helpful is because now I took an equation that used to have two unknowns in it, x and y, and now it only has one unknown. So I'm going to distribute that negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12x. Negative 3 times 10 is negative 30. Equals negative 30. Right. Then I have some like terms here that I can combine. Those combine to be 0x. Okay, and if there's nothing there, I might as well not write it. So that's 0. And I'm left with negative 30 equals negative 30. And you're not, okay, so what does that mean? It means that there is an infinite number of things that I can put in for x and create a true statement here. You see, if I put an x is 2 for here and here, it doesn't matter because it's still going to end up, this cancels out this, and end up with negative 30 is negative 30, always. Okay, so I could plug in anything I wanted for x, which means there's an unlimited number of things I could get for y. This has infinite solutions. Doesn't mean anything is a solution. It just means there are an infinite number of things that could solve this system. Okay? They are coinciding lines. They're the same line. All right, and let's also do number 2 in this video. Same situation, like exactly the same. Okay. So you should pause the video and try this one yourself, but it says that negative 8x minus 11, same as y. So I'm going to substitute. All right, I write that second equation, but when I come to the y, I just replace it with negative 8x minus 11. And now I need to do some distributing. So I'm going to multiply that negative 5 by both of those things in the parentheses. Get plus 40x plus 55 plus 19. I'm going to combine some like terms here, and I'll get 36x plus 55 equals 19. I'll subtract 55. When I do that, I get 36x equals 19 minus 55 is negative 36. Divided by 36, I get x is negative 1. Okay, part of my answer, but not the answer. I still need to know what y would be. Okay? So I'm going to take that knowledge and I'm going to bring it all the way back up here, where it says y is just negative 8x's minus 11. So that means y is negative 8 times negative 1 minus 11. And that is just 8 minus 11, which is negative 3. So my answer is negative 1, comma negative 3. And we'll pick up with another video in number 3 and number 4.